All right guys, and we're back. And so now what we're gonna do is remove this fender cover and we're gonna check out the JB weld. We're gonna test it, see if it peels off and if it flexes a little bit, and then I'm gonna try finishing up the bottom area, which is right here where the crack is on the bottom, and I'm gonna reinforce that spot, and then it's gonna be good to go. And then maybe pick up a spray can and just kind of spray the bottom area. Nobody really sees down there, so it doesn't really matter. I'll just do the little area on the bottom, it'll be fine. Just to cover up the repair area where I'm gonna do on the bottom. All right, so let's take that off, put it in the bed, and get it done. All right guys, so let's check out the JB weld. I got this little screwdriver, it's pretty sharp on this end. Let me see if I can focus. You can see that it's pretty sharp. And then I'm gonna try to see if I can scrape off at least some of it, just for experiment purposes. And it seems like it's holding really well. It's not even budging, like not even the thin edges are peeling off. So that's really good. And I didn't even prep this area. I only did the crack. I just basically cleaned it. So, but still, you know, for a not prepped area, it is holding pretty well. And then here, I mean, it's scratching it, but it's not peeling it off at all. So it seems like it's gonna be holding really well. I can't even scratch not even a bit off to get it to make it to chip. And it's flexing, it's still flexible. It's not like you don't want to flex it too much, obviously, but it seems to be a little bit flexible, so that's good. It's not cracking, so that's good. So now what I have to do is prep the bottom area. Let me flip the fender. So here's the crack on the bottom. What I'm gonna do is I tried a little experiment right here on this spot. Use a Dremel with a little grinding bit, and then just tried a little bit in this area. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna Dremel this whole crack all the way here, blah, 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 all the way around. And then I'm gonna use the Bondo fiberglass, and I'm gonna fill it into the cracks and smooth it out. And that should do the job. And this is all underneath, so it doesn't really matter. It doesn't have to be pretty, but I'm gonna try and do the best I can. Make it as clean as possible, and it's gonna be strong for years to come.
Oh.
What?
Oh, careful.
Careful. And then of course Matthew's over here. What are you fixing, my F350?
Yes, I'm making a hole.
You're making a hole? For what? For tie down hooks? So we can put big things in the truck? Like a big box? Okay, continue. So this guy's having fun. Doesn't matter what he's doing, he's having fun all the time. All right, so let's Dremel the spots and then get this taken care of. the really dirty side to the white side, but it doesn't really matter right now. By the time I get to cleaning the whole truck, this side will probably be dirty too. So I'm gonna wait for it to dry about 10-15 minutes, and then I'm gonna remove the paper and the tape. And then what I'm gonna do next is remove this side, and I'm gonna straighten out the bottom section right there. I'm gonna straighten out the bar that goes from here to the top there. And then I will reinstall driver's side fender while this side is drying. And then once I finish up that, I'm gonna install this on the truck. And then tomorrow I should get the LED lights, these ones right here, the markers. I got the smoked ones, this one smoked and that one smoked, to match the top marker lights up there. So I think that's gonna look pretty cool. We'll see how it looks when it gets here. And I'm gonna use the same LEDs, the same LED brand that I used on the top right there. So it's gonna be orange one and then red one over here with the smoked lenses. And a quick update on the base. The base is still holding water pretty good. There's no wet spots around. Everything's looking good. So now what I can do is actually empty it out and then start assembling the basketball hoop. And then once the basketball hoop is assembled, then I'll put the water in. And then the kids will play around, throw some stuff around, have some fun. All right, guys, so let's remove this side and continue on. Let's go. All right, so the dually fenders are on, secured 100%. This is this side. Driver's side all done, both sides all done. I didn't hook up the lights yet because, like I said, I have some smoked lenses coming tomorrow, so I'll need to get down there, and that's why I didn't put it underneath the cover, the one that's underneath, the little shield cover. So I'll do that tomorrow when the lights are gonna come in. I'm not sure what time they're gonna come in, maybe in the evening. It says by 8 o'clock, so we'll see. And this side is done. I'm missing this one. That's why I end up getting 4 of them. Otherwise I would have kept all 4 as is, red and yellow for now. but since I'm missing one, I figured might as well. And this is the side that's painted right here. Seems like it's matching this part to the white part right here. Dirty part, of course, needs to be cleaned and polished and so forth. It's looking better and better with each day, and hopefully I'll be able to do smog and brake and light and scales maybe later this week or earlier next week, so we'll see. Other than that, that's it for now, guys. Thanks for watching. If you're new to the channel, subscribe, hit the like button, comment below, and we'll see you guys in the next one. See ya.